How much does air conditioning cost per month? On average, running an air conditioner with around 1,800 watts of energy consumption will cost you around $60 per month. Air conditioning costs can range from $50 to $200 or more per month during the peak cooling season. This estimation considers factors like the size of the home, the energy efficiency of the unit, and the climate conditions. For example, if your air conditioner consumes 1,800 watts, operates for 8 hours per day, and the electricity rate is 14 cents per kilowatt hour, you are paying $60 per month.